Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off grid lines in the camera of your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First, open camera in your tablet, and if you see this grid line, and if you want to remove it, just you can do it. For that, go to the settings icon of the camera here, and you will see grid lines turned on. Okay, just turn it off. Now you will not have grid line in the frame of photo. See here, it's not there. Okay, if you want to really use grid lines for taking photos, just you have to go to the settings again and go to grid lines and turn on this button. Now you will have grid lines. Okay, this grid line is used to center the object. Okay, so within this box you can place the object, and you can understand that it is exactly in this center. Okay, now if you take picture, grid line will not be shown. Okay, only it is for framing the photo. Okay, so in this way, if you want, if it disturbs you, if grid lines disturbs you, just remove it. Just turn it off. Okay, otherwise use it for perfect centering of the subject in your photos, in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.